Welcome to Get Off My Perch. I will have drone videos, some mountain bike videos, app reviews, as well as reviews of mostly tech products I have used or have tried to use. So check in every once in a while to see what I might have. If you like what you see, a subscribe and like is always appreciated. This video was taken at the Grasslands Trailhead at the Rockbridge Memorial Park. It is, I guess, south of the Devil's Icebox area, along 163, and then there's a little, you turn right, going south, and go to the trailhead from there. So this trailhead is nice if you want a very easy mountain bike trail, not too much ups and downs, and relatively scenic, but nothing like, you know, rocks and stuff. It's just kind of a open pasture type trail. It can go across the road into the harder ones, but if you just use this one, I've done this just for fun, and it was fairly easy. In this video, I'm flying the Vada 1, not the 2, and this was the first place I've really had any issues at all with the signal quality going down a little bit. Once I got behind 2 or 3 layers of trees, the signal quality did degrade a little bit. I never lost control, I never lost the signal, but it did degrade enough for me to, you know, to bring it up to a higher altitude to get the signal back. Enjoy the video, and thank you for watching.
I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pretty how you work hard for me, while forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and slice it up. Now it's time to marinate, and right after we're done, I like it when you're looking like that. Don't like it when you check. I like it when you're looking
So a car came by and I wanted to follow it a little bit, just to see if I could keep up for a little ways. Wasn't doing anything as far as tracking it down, trying to see who it was or anything like that. I didn't follow it down into the trees or anything like that. Just wanted to see if I could skim along the top with it. So there it is.
No, I don't like no